Governor Phil Murphy says the Garden State is not even close to getting back to business as usual. He visited South Jersey today. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan has the very latest developments.
Rather than checking out boats, campers, or even craft beers, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy got a much different tour of the Atlantic City Convention Center Tuesday. Thanks to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, New Jersey's 3rd Field Medical Station is now ready here, with 250 beds to help hospitals should they struggle to handle cases of COVID-19. Fortunately, over the past week, hospital counts have stabilized in New Jersey and even declined. But health officials warn the spread of the coronavirus has probably not yet reached its peak in South Jersey.
We need the capacity, whether we need it next week or a year from next week. We don't want to ever be caught out again. And this is going to be one piece of an important, broader puzzle for us in terms of not just beds, but in particular, in this case, beds and capacities.
After Atlantic City, Murphy stopped in Wildwood to see the extensive boardwalk damage caused by a storm earlier this month. Mayor Cleve Bryan says that Wildwood could use state assistance as they try to maintain and repair the aging boardwalk.
Our concern is, what if this would have happened like in the middle of the summer? So it's an eye-opener, and potentially a foreshadowing of things to come.
Returning to Trenton in the afternoon, Murphy continues to describe the COVID-19 pandemic as manageable as far as hospitalizations are concerned. But he lamented the mounting death toll, which grew to more than 4,700 as the state announced 379 new deaths, the single highest daily death count to date. And a main reason Murphy says he's not ready to make any plans to reopen the state.
We need to begin to see this curve finally to start its decline. And so we must keep our strong social distancing and policies in place for at least the next several weeks.
Governor Murphy mentioned schools yet again, and while he says his order remains in place to keep them closed through May 15th, he said that children wearing face masks or spacing out their seating to keep social distancing could be part of the new normal once schools do reopen. I'm Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.